Good morning. Welcome to day 3. We are absolutely exhausted this morning, and Dan's got really sore legs. My arms and my abs are starting to hurt. So, we're definitely feeling the after effects of the tree climb. But today we're going through the Barossa Valley on a wine tour. It's currently 8:15 and we leave at 9:15. So we've had breakfast, as you can see. I'm finishing my coffee. And this situation will have to be dealt with. There's an alarm going off because we weren't sure when we were going to get up. And today should be a nice, relaxed, much less walking intense day, which will be lovely. We had a wonderful dinner last night, catching up with our friends, and we could have been talking for hours, but they did have to walk today. Gee, clearly I'm scarred. No, they had to work today, so we did have to leave at around 9:30. But we might see them tonight again. We might see them tomorrow again. So I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, let's deal with this situation.
Such a cool idea. This would be beautiful in the summer, especially when everything is flowered and whatnot. But the garden is spectacular. It really is Garden of Dreams. There's really not anything growing that I wouldn't like. Though we did say there's chili.
Yeah, there is.
I didn't see them, but
You walked straight past them.
probably. Makes sense.
You just completely ignored it.
It's got the broccolini, or the broccoli. And this beautiful flower. I'm not sure what this is, but there are strawberries.
There's bees as well.
And beautiful bees. Thank you for your services. There's eggplant. And then some sort of leafy green vegetable.
And red.
Yes, leafy green and red. The celery looks very familiar. And actually, it's really reassuring because my celery stalks are thin like this too. But it's really reassuring that that's what they're supposed to be. Then we've got more eggplant. Then over here, my excitement to see the capsicum and to see how it grows as well. So mine must be still very early on. Quite nice. The kitchen garden. The strawberries. Again, I'm hoping for a good strawberry season. Oh, there they are. Here are the chilies. Silly me. So apparently Liana and Joel have fantastic chilies. They did in Mackay as well. Fantastic. Coming back. Again, I've got a gut feeling that this is likely cauliflower. But there's nothing really budding as of yet, but that's okay. More celery. Looking over the beautiful vineyards. Have you had a good day so far?
Yes.
Yes, me too. Definitely really enjoyed Kies, the very small winery we went to, but Jacob's Creek's been beautiful as well. Got no complaints. It's quite a cloudy day, but we're inside most of it and drinking, so it doesn't matter. It's been lovely.
It's pretty cool, man.
It is awesome.
Yeah, these would only be 18, maybe 20. no more than 21 years old,
Wow.
so they're pretty young.
I was going to say pretty old.
Well, have a look at the trunk of these out here.
Oh, yeah.
They're probably 35 years old, I'd suggest.
Mm.
And then I'll find some real old gnarly ones for you, which are sort of, which is much thicker.
Yeah, can appreciate that for sure.
And the bunches are much tighter compared to some others.
Mm. We've just had lunch at this beautiful place called the Company Kitchen, and it's gorgeous, and I didn't even get any pictures or anything of the burger we just ate. And funny enough, turns out it's International Burger Day of all things, so you know, go us. But our chauffeur was like, "Did you get dessert?" And we both were like, "No, we're so full." And apparently we were about to do some cheese tasting as well. RIP my intestines, forgot the lactase. But yeah, there was no way. I mean, there was a cookies and cream cheesecake, but Daniel, you're just gonna have to make it up to me and buy some chocolate later. It's fine.
What?
At one of the multitudes of chocolate stores that we pass that you just, for some reason, seem to always miss seeing. Really? Yeah, they just don't exist. Yeah, we're just chilling in the car. Our chauffeur is fixing up the bill. In the wine tour, we actually did pay for food, so it's not like he's just being really nice or anything. I still feel guilty. It's weird. But anyway, it's supposed to be a 2-course meal and it was just one, but thank God, because that was huge. Yeah, feeling really, really good. Fulfilled. Comfortable. Ooh, the big cheese wheel! It's the big Pac-Man! What are artisan things. I love homemade, homegrown, home farmed honey. Almonds.
It has the honeycomb
Yeah.
in it.
Apparently that's delicious. Oh,
Yeah.
beetroot spread. Strawberry and rose chocolate. Yum. You got all your cheeses and your assorted wines.